Backstroke 100. Second place. Second place, Batang Palaban. Backstroke 100.
Next is the awarding for event number 75.
Ay, ang laki talaga ng kalaban, pero okay lang. Kailangan yun, pasok pa rin. Silver medalist. Hello ka-swimmers, 100 back. Lane 3 po si Batang Palaban. Lane 3, 100 back.
Take your mark.
Ito na po, start na po.
Swimming in lane number 1 is Alcazaren
Yan na po.
Julia Margo of ISSC.
Yan na siya po.
Lane 2, De La Cruz Alessandria of Cadiz City. Lane 3,
Yan na po.
Tupas Daniela Ariel of
100,
Sharks.
100.
Lane 4,
Backstroke.
Martinez, the nickname of the Orca Swim Team. Lane 5,
Yan na po siya.
Ann Emmanuel of Bohol Dolphins. Lane 6,
Leading po, taga Bohol. Second po siya.
GCC. Lane 7,
100
Bob
backstroke.
Sofia of GCC. Lane 8, Flores Heather Ann of Palamor Swim Team.
Yan na po. Kambarn! Go na, go, go! Go na, be! Ay, si Manong mala. Pause na, pause, pause! Leading. Go na, go, go! Yan na po siya. Second na po. Si Batang Palaban. Batang Palaban, go. Second na po. Yan, good, very good. Ay, salamat po sa manonood. Thank you very much.